Find the probability that the person selected is male or against. What does it mean, or? Or. Yani if I get a male, I'm happy. If I get a person against, I'm also happy. Yani this event happened anyway if you get a male, regardless of his opinion, or if you get someone against, regardless of his gender. This make the male 7. Where are the males? You have a question or answer? How much? 96, yes, very good. Where did the 96 come from? Where are the males? These are males, right? These 15 people are males, right? Who else is male? This is also male, right? So together, these are the males, right? Very good. Who is against? This guy is against, right? Those people are against. Who else is against? 36 is also against, right? So the idea is, can I take the 4? No, the 4 is not against, and the 4 is not male. So I don't need that, right? So that means what? I need all these people. That's a union. So the or actually means union. I want the union of these two people together. 15, 45, and 36. And of course, I divide by 100. Do I add the 45 twice? No. Are these like superhumans or something like that? Because they belong to the two groups, so they deserve to be counted as 2? No. So that's a very important part. Make sure, because a lot of people by mistake, they count this twice. They get all of the people against, and they get all of the people in favor, so they count those people twice. That's 45. So make sure you count it only one time. Yes. The and is the common part. This is the and, in fact. Let's do the and again before we forget. Find the probability is male and against. Who are the people that are? It is those people 45. This is the and. This is the and part. This is what's called the intersection, which is the common part between male event and against event. So that would be 45 over 100. So that's the difference between and or. That's the difference between and or. Or means the union together. You add them all up. But the and means the common part, or the people who have the same features, these two features at the same time. Not one of them. Or means having one of them is enough. And means you must have both. So that's why the 45 has both. Okay now? Clear. Another question about the or. Find the probability that the person is female or in favor. Let me just clean this mess so that you can see the table clearly. I don't get confused. Where are the males? Let's look at the males. Those are the males, right? Where are those who are in favor? These are the people who are in favor, right? Okay, unite them. Make them united. You just add them all, right? So you get 55 over 100. Okay now? Okay, the idea of the or? As you said, you can just add them all up, but make sure you don't repeat anything. Find the probability the person is female or against. Female or against? 85 over 100, yes. Remember, we're selecting one person. Yeah. It is in both, but it's counted one time. Yes. You only add 4 plus 15 plus 36. Yes. Yes, and that's the trick that sometimes people don't pay attention to, and then, yes, that's very important. Be careful. You count it one time. The common part should be counted one time. Okay now? Clear now the and, the or? Let's see more tricky questions of and or. Find the probability that the person is male or female. That should be an easy question. 100, yeah, that's 100. That's everyone, right? 100 over 100, which is 1. Similarly, find the probability the person is in favor. Find the probability the person is in favor or against. That's also 1. How about the probability that the person is in favor and against? Everything 100? Come on. I said and this time. Pay attention. I say and, not or. What does it mean and? What does it mean and? At the same time, can you have someone who is against and in favor at the same time? Zero. It's impossible. Everyone has one opinion, right? It's either against or in favor. It's impossible to find someone who have both opinions at the same time, right? So in this case, that's zero. That's zero. So be careful. These two, they don't have a common path. There's no intersection. It's either this or that. You didn't get it. Okay, I'm going to ask you this question. What do you think of genetic engineering? Are you against or in favor? In favor. Very good. What do you think of genetic engineering? In favor. What do you think of genetic engineering? Against. What do you think of genetic engineering? In favor. Genetic engineering. Against. Genetic engineering. Okay. So now, did you see I asked how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 4 of them said in favor. 2 of them said against. Suppose I select one person from these 6. What is the chance when I selected this person, he is both in favor and against at the same time? It's impossible, isn't it? That's why the probability is 0. Did you get that? It's impossible, right? He cannot have 2 opinions. He has to have 1 opinion only. What is the chance when you select one person, he is male and female? 0. It's impossible. It's either male or female, or at least according to the distribution of the people in the company. Okay?